It's the best. Guinea wig, as he's known. That's him. I agree. You all right? He's in. Safe. Oh. Yes. Drop, mate. Wish I'd known about it. Oh, what a tree. Hop it. There was another then that just branched off to the right. Do you see that big jump then on the left, tucked away? I see. Ah, like Treorchy. They always are. Oh, did not expect that one. Let me just tee up for this. It's quite chunky, that. It's coming to that real slow behind you. You pick a line first. Yeah, that does look alright. You made it through. Is that a drop? Yeah, that's cool. Needed a bit more speed on that, caught the top end. It's all blind though, so I have no idea what's coming up. I thought it was just a drop initially. See what he sees there. Roller boy, you see? Oh yes,
I've done this.
what is it?
Have a look at it.
Yeah, would love to.
The one with the wood in the bottom of the tree that catches him.
We'll see. Okay, good job. What's this one then? I think it's all just quite firmy for now. Need to be better on these tight ones. Oh, there's a gap. Wait, the gap's coming up. If you stay there, I'll get out the way and you can clear it. Yes, on the right hand side. I'll move out the way. So I've got enough beans for that now. Just there, yeah, it's only about 4 feet. Nice. Straight down?
Yeah. And then this is going to go across that path off on your bike.
Oh, okay, no, you're showing me. Yeah, I didn't have enough speed for that at the end, so I didn't drop it. Is it? Oh yeah. Didn't fancy landing that bomb hole. That looked horrible. What's that bit though? No. That's where you want to be. Can we get up there? How'd you get into it? Yeah, it's only one puddle. It's the first one you've seen all day. Oh, yeah, let's go left here. I reckon this is the way. Is that you squeaking? Bit rutty. Yeah. Enjoy those little jumps.
Quite a big jump, isn't it? Like...
That trail just split then. You take me back. Ah, brambles in the face. Oh.
Start there and come up.
Yeah. Ah. Yeah, it's been trimmed. That's what we need. Way. Oh man, I just don't know where we're going. I'm gonna go straight. Let's just chance it. And if not, we'll do the other one. And what's this bit? Yeah? Oh, we'll have a look. Yeah, that's not bad. Where are you going? Kids love steep tech. So clear that gap. You what? Well, it just looks like freshly cut mud. Look. Oh yeah. But we'll just oh, what's this?
Look at that.
Fuck, just rolling on stuff. Right.
Cool, I thought.
Looks clear.
This is the leaf. Catch my mud guard.
Stood. She's gears. Nicely done. Left looks cleaner. Little kicker. I don't know, what's the difference? They both look pretty worn to the same degree. Oh, that's Rudy climbing up. Wherever he goes.
5.
We went left last time, I think. Maybe we should stay left again. Left? Yeah. Looks fairly similar to all the others we've ridden down. No, I have no idea.
Looks a little bit of a journey for them.
Yeah, do you want to try that? Let's get stuck in a root then. Yeah, it does look freshly trimmed. I don't know. Alright, it's going to get steep now because if you look to the right, it just falls away. Oh. I can see. I'm watching the tack. Oh, fuck yeah. Nicely done. Very steep now. Bit of rooty tack for you. Glad it's dry. Oh. Well, I enjoyed that a lot. That's probably the best one we've done, I reckon.
Yeah, I was thinking that's a long way down.
It's going to be impossible to find her again.
No, yeah. I think
This has been trimmed. Little bramble line there. Don't think I'm going to be clearing that, sunshine. Jesus, wet. That's huge. That's a bigger boys.
yeah, that's fucking... I don't know.
You don't fancy doing that in your...
No, because look at this. You're hitting up. You're hitting another up.
It's horrible. And I'll watch you do if you want, but... This is the bit we saw when we came out just now.
Alright, you can find that one.
Yeah, it's all a bit of a mess. Is that drop or roller? That could be a nice jump. Yeah. This is probably the one you've done before. There's a fucking bee in my helmet, hold on. Ah, get in, buzzing. Ah, you bastard. Out you get. There's a bumblebee in my helmet. Yeah, we're good. Oh, it's to walk again, to climb. Oh yeah, hold on, let me get over here.
Have a look. Well, we just done that, I think.
Yeah, we came down.
Missed it.
That was a cheddar. What about straight on? It's 2 here. I don't know the difference really. But that looks clear. Stinky in it. Yeah, all good. That's fine. Yeah, all good bet. That looked pretty tasty. Where do you go? Oh, I don't know. He's put me off now. Bastard. So he's gone straight into that. I stopped on the top of that. I stopped on the top of it, so I didn't go down there. I went on the side of it. I was like, jump there. Yeah, your back wheel's in the air like all the way. Whoa! Yeah, I just got a kick. Front wheel just shot right across the path. What's that? Is it
bit.
How far did it go down? Gotcha. Just all these trees must have fallen down and ruined it. Let's get back up.
Like.
This is all very 1990s mountain biking.
Yeah, it is a bit like that, yeah.
I feel like we're on a down there. Because they're two drops, aren't they? How'd you get up? And then we'll see where we end up. I think that might be that mini Champree that's on the Trail Forks. Oh, what all that shit in my mouth? Bloody hell. Ah! Oh, I got shorts on too. Oh, you bastard. Oh, my knuckles.